Trying to move a background in a picture such as this to something like this can be very difficult, but in today's video, I want to show you how you can do this for free and anywhere as long as you have access to the internet. So let's dive into it. So first off, let's find a photo that we do want to remove the background. Now I'm going to use The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. I think this is a good photo, so let's do this one and show you an example why this makes sense. So first, I'm actually going to show you in Canva why this is an issue, because if I go to Canva and I drop in that picture, you will see I have the background, which again, if I have a different background color, is gonna really throw this whole thing off because I'm not getting that clear picture just around him. And again, it doesn't look as nice, especially if you're making a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So right now, as you see, this is not looking the way I want to. So there is a website you can use that is totally free. Now, if you do have a paid subscription for Canva, you can obviously do it in Canva, but again, today's video is free. But if you did have it in Canva, you would click here and that would actually remove the background. But I'm going to show you how to do it though, like I said, for free. So we're going to go to a website called Removebg, which stands for background. So what we're going to do is actually click on that image. We're going to save this image into our download file. So that way when we go back to this website, we're going to upload a file. And right there, I can click on Dwayne Johnson. I actually already have him in there, but if I were to click it again, we could see how this would go. And like that, there he is, no background. Now, the cool thing about this is if you thought there was something that was missing just a little bit, you can erase or restore. So again, let's say I thought I wanted a little more in the background of him. I can bring that back in, or I can erase that as well, or I can erase part of this. Anything along those lines, which is super nice. Now, I'm not going to save any of that, but you could hit the download button down here if you wanted to save all that. So I'm going to hit the X here. Now, what you're going to do from here, you can save it, you can download it, but you do not have to. What you can do is actually click on this, copy image. We're going to go back to Canva so you can actually see this. I'm going to click off that one, and I'm going to paste this other photo, and just like that, we have now an image without the background. Nice clear cut image of everything, and I can make this bigger, I can make it smaller. But again, the huge thing now is we don't have that background right back here, so I can add other things, and you can do this multiple times. Again, just find different pictures on Google, just search for anything. Let's look for The Undertaker, and if we want to do that as well, we can also do a picture of him. But again, it's the same routine. You're just going to go in, you're going to save it, go to remove, then click on, you can hit the X button here, and you're going to then add an upload new image and click wherever you save that then. And the same thing, you're going to click copy, go to Canva, and then paste, and that is it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate that. And also check out this video on how to add a personal signature to your Gmail account. It really makes a huge difference when you send those emails out.